Yes, Nitya, please.
And they are parallel to each other.
Very good. All parallel, opposite sides are parallel and
Yes,
equal.
ma'am. Sorry, all
Yeah.
opposite sides.
Opposite sides are parallel and equal in trapezium. Is any other points, Abhinav? Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other points regarding to parallelogram?
Ma'am, opposite. No, ma'am. Adjacent sides are
Very good.
supplementary.
Is it supplementary adjacent sides? Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, opposite sides are parallel.
Opposite sides are parallel and equal, Nana. That is the point we have. We know that about a parallelogram. You see, children, there are different. We can go with if you take as a quadrilateral family. Quadrilateral family. So there are two types we can categorize, children. In that two types, in one type, trapezium. Trapezium means no sides are equal. This is trapezium. Not only trapezium, and in this another in this case we can get even kite also, children. In this kite also, these are the one family, and you just see like a parallelogram, like a parallelogram, like a square, like rectangle, and what other shapes you have here? What other shapes you have, children? Yeah. What other? What ma?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. This is one type of family, children. This is one type we can categorize. This is another type we can categorize in quadrilateral only. In
Ma'am, and
parallelogram,
that is
yeah, in parallelogram, parallel sides are, let me take a parallelogram, children. Step by step, at a glance, we will take. So you just see in parallelogram, suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. What a parallel sides are? These are parallel sides. Then opposite sides are parallel. You can write how opposite sides are parallel and equal. Even even AD and BC are equal and parallel. AD and BC are equal and parallel. You just represent with a single line, children, because they are not equal. You just go like that. So how you can take this AB is parallel to DC, as well as AB is equal to DC. Similarly, if you take other part like other sides like AD is parallel to BC and AD equal to BC. That's why parallelogram. And what you know about diagonals, children? What you know about diagonals? What you know about diagonals, please, children? That
ma'am,
is very
diagonals always
They teach each other at 90 degree.
what you know about the parallelogram?
ma'am, they connect opposite sides and they
Is
always
adjacent.
At 90 degree.
Abhinav
They
said
bisect
adjacent
at 90.
angle in the parallelogram are supplementary. Wonderful point. It is also wonderful point. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Means adjacent means what, children? AB.
Side.
Side by side. AB is an adjacent, AD is an adjacent, DC is an adjacent, BC is an adjacent, side by side. Adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. These are the important points you're supposed to remember, children. Not only this, what you know
They
about the
bisect each
diagonal.
other at 90 degrees, ma'am.
Very good, very good. I want the point, children. What you know about your diagonals? These diagonals
and
are
they
parallelogram.
connect to opposite sides. They start
Huh?
at
What ma?
they connect to opposite sides.
Very good. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal, children. Equal in
Ma'am, the
measure.
diagonals are also equal, right?
Yeah, you just see diagonals, opposite sides are equal. If you take angle D equal to angle B, if you take angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal in parallelogram.
Ma'am, it is called VOA property.
And not
Vertical
only this,
opposite
children, what is sum of angles in a parallelogram?
I'm 360.
Very good, very good. Why? Because it is a four-sided polygon. Any four-sided polygon, sum of interiors should be equal to 360. These are all points you're supposed to remember. Yes, yes, ma. What is
How to find the
what? What, Nitya?
to find what is the total?
Yeah, diagonals. I didn't speak about diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at the point. You just take this is another point. This in this point they are bisecting at a point O. Bisect means what, children? Bisect means
They cut
I'm cut in half, ma'am.
exactly true. Suppose DO is equal to OB, like that it is cut exactly into half portions. AO equal to OC. These are the 4 points, children. Bhavya, can you repeat all 4 points what we discussed right now about parallelogram?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, the diagonals bisect each other and the sum
Yeah.
of angles is equal to 360.
Very good.
And ma'am,
Opposite angles are equal.
yes, ma'am, opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal.
Adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles are? Just now Abhinav said the point. Adjacent angles are
Supplementary, ma'am.
very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Adjacent angles are supplementary. And like that, whatever the points we discussed, you have to keep. Now, quickly, children, who will give all 4 points at quick?
can I
Yes, Harshita.
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is this?
Ma'am, like the adjacent angles are supplementary, they bisect each other at 90 degrees.
Okay.
Ma'am,
No,
opposite
no 90. No.
No, ma'am.
No,
It's
it's not.
bisect means,
ma'am, it's
cutting half
one.
are
It's
equal.
not perpendicular bisect, Nana. Just bisect. Abhinav, is it perpendicular bisect or only bisect?
Ma'am, only
Ma'am, it's
bisect.
only bisect.
Okay, that's why Lalit, please correct that, Nana. Lalit, it's not a perpendicular bisector. That's why don't take a 90 angle. If it is perpendicular bisector, only we can take as a 90 angle.
And the diagonals are equal or not?
Diagonals are also not. We can go with the diagonals. Yes, what you know about diagonals here, children? Is
The
it?
diagonals bisect each other.
Yes, bisect each other.
Yes, ma'am, at the center, ma'am. O is the center.
Yes. No, the Abhinav who is asking, Lalit is asking about is diagonals are equal in parallelogram or not? That is the question from Abhinav. Sorry,
Ma'am,
Lalit.
they are not equal, ma'am.
They are not equal. Very good. They are not equal.
ma'am, but they're equal to one like they.
Ma'am, because the sides, opposite sides are equal, ma'am.
Opposite sides are equal. Maybe it is possible to happen as equal, children. Let me find out, children. Even
Ma'am, it's equal, ma'am.
yes, it is equal, children. Let me see once. Just a minute, children. I will take the table. Yes, Lalit, you're asking about is diagonals are equal or not, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which shape we are taking parallelogram, right? Yes, parallelogram diagonals are not equal, Nana. Only diagonals are equal for only rectangle and square. Diagonals are equal for only
Rectangle and square. But
rectangle.
like opposite angles are equal.
Yes, yes, Lalit. Yes, Lalit. Yes, children, I will give it a last table also. I will give, don't worry. But these 4 points you're supposed to remember, children. Adjacent angles are supplementary, opposite angles equal, diagonals are not equal, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and diagonals bisect each other at point O. And what other points we missed here?
Ma'am, opposite angles are equal.
Right. These are the points about your uh, parallelogram. Then shall we go with another figure, children? Yes. In this parallelogram, they can ask what type of questions are possible to get. That is, let me at glance we will go, children. The question is, you just see here. This is exterior angle Z. This is X angle X. This is angle Y. This is angle 50. This is angle 50. You need to find the values of X, Y, Z in this parallelogram. Yes. In this parallelogram. Yes, just a minute, children. I'll call one student. Abhinav. Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
which property we can use to find out the value of X or Y first of all?
Ma'am, angle sum property.
Angle sum property, but I don't know many angles, right? Can we use adjacent angles or supplementary, my dear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is what is adjacent angles here? Can we go with adjacent angle X and 50? Yes.
Ma'am, x and y equals to 50.
No. X equal to Y. Ultimately, those are opposite angles. X plus 50 equal to supplementary. Yes. Supplementary.
ma'am.
means right.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, x equals to 130.
So if X equals
Also, Z is
130,
also 130, ma'am. Z is also
opposite-
130.
Y is also
Ma'am, Y is also 130, Z is also 130.
Y. No, yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Z
ma'am.
is 130, ma'am.
This is 130. What is the value of Z?
Ma'am, z is also 130.
Very good, children. Why it is 130?
Ma'am,
means
alternative angles.
opposite angles are
Opposite
equal.
angles and subtract from 180.
Opposite angles are equal. This is 50.
Ma'am, but x and z can be corresponding, right? Directly.
Exactly true, Nana. X and Z are corresponding. Very good. You can use any property, children, to get. Yes, very good. Very good. That is the way also correct. It's okay, children. This is the variety of question based on the parallelogram. Yes. Yes. Any doubt here, Abhinav? Abhinav.
Oh, ma'am.
Ayush? Ayush.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this figure? How to find out the values of X, Y, and Z? To find out the values of X and Y, I'm taking the adjacent angles or supplementary property, children. So that X plus 50 equal to 180, X equal to 180 minus 50. The same way Y plus 50 are adjacent angles. So Y plus 50 makes 180. So Y equal to 180 minus 50. Now opposite to 50 angle is also 50. Then Z and 50 pairs a linear pair. Or our student said, ma'am, X and Z are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles also equal. Very good. X and Z are corresponding angles. They both are equal. Any property, but you need to write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Could you go back?
Okay. Same figure.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Yes, Nana. This is angle 50 given. This is angle Y value given. This is opposite to Y is given as X. This is exterior given as 130 and not 130 Z.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bhavya.
ma'am, Z
Bhavya.
is equal to 130, ma'am. So
Very good.
130 is equal to 50 plus X, right, ma'am? Ma'am, because like it's adjacent angles, right, ma'am?
50 plus
X is equal to Z.
50, not 50, Nana, not 50. This is 50. 50 plus X equal to Z. Very good. No, not Z. 50 plus X equal to adjacent angles. Sum should be equal to 180, not Z.
Okay, ma'am.
Nana, these are adjacent angles. You are telling these two sum together. X and 50 together gives 180. Why? Because they are side by side angles. Adjacent angle sum should be equal to 180. Based on that property, we can go with the x value as 132.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, any other doubts, children, in this?
No,
Any
ma'am.
No.
No.
Shall I clear? Shall I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nitya? Z is an exterior angle. Okay, you're asking about a Z value. Okay. Yeah, this is Z. This is Z. You know, this angle is 50. This opposite to
Ma'am,
that.
corresponding angles.
That is also you can use. Very good. He said, Abhinav said, ma'am, this. I didn't get your voice, Bhavya. I don't know what is the issue.
It was
Yeah, absolutely, it is corresponding. Why? Because if you take this line as an extension line, how did you? This is nothing but what angle? Is it a straight angle, Nitya? So Z plus 50 equal to?
180.
Yes, that way also you will get 130 Z value. Right, right. We can use many properties, children. If you know all the properties, by seeing only you can answer these questions. That is the very happiest thing with geometry part, especially geometry. Children, once you know the concept, you can answer easily. All the concepts. That means all the properties of your parallelograms. If you know very well, you can go with it. Now this question should be answered by Ayush. Ayush Mishra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I need to find out the values of x, y, z in this parallelogram. Can you give your properties? What are the properties you're supposed to use to find out the values here?
Ma'am, opposite angles are equal,
So what is the opposite angles? Can we take it
and
as
so
y?
y will also be 100.
Ma'am,
100.
100, ma'am, then adjacent angles are equal to 180, ma'am, the supplementary.
Okay, okay. That
Ma'am,
wait.
so that is 80, ma'am, and x is also 80, of as he said, ma'am, opposite.
Exactly, exactly. X equal to 100. Opposite to x is also 100.
Ma'am, 80, ma'am.
Is it 80? Oh, sorry, children. Yes, it is 80. Just a minute, children. Just a minute, children. It is 80. Opposite to x is also 80. Right. Next, Manideep. Manideep, are you there? Manideep, are you there? Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Manideep. Please answer this question. Manideep, this is a quadrilateral. The diagonals are given, Manideep. Diagonals are given as this is as x plus y is given this place to this place, x plus y is given. This region is given as 16. This midpoint to here, it is given as 20. This is given as y plus 7. Y plus 7. Now you need to find out the values of x, y, z, x, y. X, y in this parallelogram. What are the property? Which property we supposed to use? Yes. Manideep, are you there or not? Any network issue? Any network issue might. Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yes, I can hear
So
you.
opposite angles are equal, right?
Wait, Lalit, wait, let
Ma'am,
them.
can I answer it?
1 minute, is it Manideep is responding? Please let me know. Is
Ma'am, are
Manideep?
those diagonals?
Very good. You can use diagonal property.
Ma'am, I
Bhavya.
got the answer.
Y
Can I
plus
tell?
7 is.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
so-
Nana, wait, Lalit, I'll come to you, Lalit. Just a minute, Lalit. Let them find out other students are ready to answer. Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Bhavya.
ma'am. Ma'am, so 20 is equal to y plus 7.
Very good. Why it is, Bhavya, like that? Can you
Ma'am,
tell?
Ma'am, y is 13,
Bisect-
x is 3.
Y is 13,
X is 3.
x plus y equal to 16. Why, Bhavya, you are telling this property, you are giving this rule. Why you are giving? What is the property you are using to find to give that equation? Which
Ma'am,
property?
diagonals bisect each other.
Very good. That property name also you need to
Ma'am,
mention.
opposite angles are equal.
Opposite.
ma'am.
No, we didn't take any angle property here, Nana. Lalit, it's exactly using diagonals bisect each other. Yes, is it true, Bhavya? You are taking diagonals bisect each other property?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. From this x plus y is 16 means what is the value of
Ma'am,
x?
x,
So 20
Ma'am, x
minus
is
7,
3.
which is equal to 13, and x is equal to
3.
13 plus what number gives you 16?
ma'am. Ma'am, could you repeat your question?
13 plus what number gives you 16? Because x
Ma'am,
plus
3,
y
ma'am.
is 3. So x value is 3.
3.
X value is 3. Based on this, there are varieties of questions you have, children. You supposed to answer. This is one variety of the question in parallelogram. Not only this, you just see, I will give one more question to you. This question, who will answer? Harshita, are you there, Nana? Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita, please try to answer this question, Harshita. You just see the parallelogram.
Actually, I'm a little weak at angles, ma'am. So
Don't worry. Don't worry. I am giving the points. Right now, I'm giving the points to you. Yes or no? I am just giving just a minute. Ma, I'll come to you because the student is waiting in the waiting room. Manideep having network issues, so he joined once again. Wait, Lalit, just a minute, Nana. Yes, who is Harshita is supposed to answer this question. She said, I am weak in angles. I don't accept with her statement. I make her strengthen in this. Please, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, Harshita, try to answer. I will help you. Don't worry. So, Harshita, is x and this angle is opposite. Both are same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can I take as x plus 70 as linear pair?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
z is 30.
Yes, Nana, 1 minute, Nana. X plus 70 is 180. X equal to how much, Harshita?
X is equal to 180 minus 70.
So,
110.
110.
very good. Very good. This is 110 you got. X value 110 you got. Now, any other property, adjacent angle property. Can we take these two together and this angle can be equal to 180?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer you're supposed to tell here? What are the x value we are getting as 110?
110.
This angle together gives 40 plus z.
But
40
plus
plus,
z is equals to 180.
very good. Now this 110 plus 40,
150 plus z is equals to 180.
so z is,
Z is 30.
that's all. Now you know z value. Can you tell what is the y value?
Ma'am, angle sum property of a
Yes, ma'am.
triangle. 30.
Angle sum property, very good, very good. He used the angle sum property of a triangle. Not only this, any other way is there, Abhinav?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, other way opposite angle.
Which is opposite? How you supposed to take opposite angle?
No,
Okay.
ma'am, it can be, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, you just please go through any other way is also there. Please think and give it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, which
Can
one
we-
value are you asking, ma'am?
No, I just want to find out the value of y, Bhavya. To find out the value of y, which property I can use here? Because I know Z values, I know X value, I need to find the value of Y. He said one property, ma'am, we can use angle sum property of a triangle, so that X anyway we know that as 110, Z we know that as 130, together 140, the Y angle is 40. He said I will agree with Abhinav. And any other property we have, Abhinav, in mind?
Ma'am, is this a quadrilateral
Yes.
or any
Yes.
other specific?
No, it's a parallelogram. It's a
Ma'am, I
parallelogram.
didn't understand, ma'am. How did you get the angle as 40?
Ma'am, then if it's a parallelogram, we can get, ma'am,
No, no.
opposite angle, right?
Why? How you will get as a 40 your question, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
See, he said, ma'am, we can use even this is a triangle. In this triangle, the Z value we are getting as Z value, how much you are getting? You are getting 30. This is anyway, we know that X is nothing but 110. 110 plus 30 gives how much? 110 plus 30. Children, are you there?
Ma'am, 140.
140 plus what angle gives you 180 in angle sum property? In triangle, sum of
Ma'am,
angles.
30.
Huh?
30.
No, 140 plus
Ma'am,
30.
40, 40.
So that's why I told Y equal to 40. Understood, Lalit?
No, ma'am, I'm saying that how did you get this angle as 40, ma'am?
Which angle? Which angle? Please let me know.
Ma'am, like, can you explain from first, ma'am? I little bit didn't understand.
Okay. That's me, children. Be here. Your brain should be here, children. Don't send somewhere in the dreams. Please be here. Just the given figure as a parallelogram shape it is given. You just see parallelogram opposite. This is a diagonal heat rod. This angle is given as Z. This angle is given as 40. And this is completely given as X. And this angle is given as Y. You need this one given as 70. You need to find X, Y, Z. Which property you will use? I don't know, whatever the property you are going to use. By seeing it, since can we go with is this angle, whatever the angle, this you just see, children, I will mark with different colors so that is this both are equal, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is X, it is X. Now is it, can we go with X plus 70 as 180? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Why?
X is equal to 110, ma'am.
The other one is also 110.
110. X value you got. Now here also we can get as a 110 angle, right? Then is 110 and this complete angle or adjacent angles? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we add up those things, children, like a X plus 40 plus Z
Yes, that is equal to 180.
180. So
Ma'am,
here,
110 plus 40 plus Z is equal to 180.
so 110 means 150.
It's equal to 30, ma'am.
So Z equal to how much you are getting?
30.
30. Now Z value you are getting as 30. Z value you are getting as 30. You need to find the Y value. So this
Angle
is,
sum.
Value 40, right?
yeah, this is 30. This is 110. This is question mark. So 40, like that Y value we are getting as 40. Yes. Any doubt till, please?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ayush, did you get the point, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Any doubt in this bit?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Can I go ahead one more bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is a really wonderful question. Actually, this is also a parallelogram. In parallelogram only different varieties of questions are getting to see, children, based on diagonals, based on angles, based on sides, based on this is given as 3x, this is given as 18, this is given as 26, this is given as 3y minus 1. Now, just a minute, I will call the students specifically the names. Nitya, can you answer this? Nitya,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
which bit you have doubt,
Ma'am,
Abhinav?
this one only, ma'am. Is it
Oh.
ma'am,
Yes.
is it a quadrilateral or
No,
biggest one?
parallelogram. I just mentioned
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
a
Okay, ma'am.
parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Be ready with your answers. Put in the chat box, children. I just call the student. Nitya. Yes, Nitya, it's a parallelogram. Very good. Opposite sides are equal. Which one? Okay, just a minute, Nitya. I will come to you. 3y minus 1 equal to? Right.
So,
3y equal to?
27 minus 1. So, 3 by 27 by 3.
Yes, y equal to 27 by 3. Y equal to 9. So this side becomes how much you will tell? 3y into 9, 3y means 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 1 is 26 centimeters. Very good. Now coming to the x value to find out the value of x.
So, x is equal to 18 by 3. X is equal to 6.
Yeah, 6. Very good. Like that, we can find using opposite angles or equal property. You can use this and solve. Not only this, children, all possible questions. Sometimes they're going to test. A question is going to ask you people like Z is an exterior here. You just think that this is a Z. This is a 80. Another is a Y and X. To find Y and X, Z, what value, what is the property we supposed to use here? Yes. What is the property we supposed to use there?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, one is corresponding and one is opposite.
Wonderful, wonderful. One is corresponding. Is it corresponding? Let me check whether.
Ma'am, Z is 80.
Ah, right, Nana, correct. It's the corresponding angles only. Z is 80. It's very good. If Z equal to 80 means what is this angle? Or else, can you go with X and 80
Ma'am,
or
100.
100, ma'am, 100.
Ma'am, that angle is 100 and X is
Ma'am,
100.
X is 100 and Y is 80, ma'am.
this is also 100. Y is also 80. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children, right. That's all, children. These are all possible questions you will get in your quadrilateral. Shall we go with another shape, children? Yes. Okay. Which shape we will go in second? Can we go with the rhombus? Because many questions you are getting from rhombus. Because square and rectangle you are solving from lower classes. We'll go with the rhombus, children. Yeah. How rhombus looks like, children?
Ma'am, it's like a square, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's like a square, but ma'am, like all sides are equal, but all diagonals are not equal.
It looks somewhat like a kite,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Ma'am, I mean all.
a diamond, like a
Yes, because burpee you're eating diamond shaped sweet. Yeah, all sides are equal.
Ma'am,
Very
all
good.
the sides are equal and they bisect each other 90 degrees.
Wonderful, wonderful. The diagonals bisect each other 90. Now you understand Lalit, what is bisector, what is perpendicular?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Perpendicular means 90 degree.
Yes. And now can any other things? Can you know the about rhombus?
Ma'am, like diagonals are not equal.
Yes, diagonals are not equal. Wonderful. These diagonals are perpendicular to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Ma'am, and they bisect each other at 90.
Very good. Not only that, Ma, is it all sides equal? As you said, is all angles are equal?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Opposite is opposite
No,
side.
ma'am, it's not equal.
Yes, not opposite and all angles are not equal. Children, please remember that. Because the side Yeah, opposite angles are equal. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good.
Of the bisect, they're equal, ma'am, because all
Yes,
bisect
children. Opposite angles are equal. Children, please remember this. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles
ma'am,
are.
same for the bisects are there.
If this angle equal to this one, and other take, if you take like that, this angle equal to this. Yes, angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And any other points, children, about rhombus you want to say? Is anything about opposite sides are parallel? Is opposite sides are parallel? Yes or no? Is it true?
All sides are equal.
Equal and parallel also. That is important. Is diagonals are equal here? Is diagonals are equal? No.
No, ma'am.
No. Yeah. Is diagonals bisect each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Bisect each other. Is diagonals bisect each other at right angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Very good. That's why different points I'm giving to you. Now you have any one of you please tell about what is rhombus.
Ma'am, rhombus.
Ma'am, it's
Yes, please tell about rhombus.
Ma'am, it's like a square-like figure, but it's different from square because, ma'am, the all in a square all sides are equal and all diagonals also equal.
Okay.
In rhombus, all sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal.
Okay.
Same like square, they're parallel to each other, opposite sides.
Right. Is diagonals bisect at right angles? That is
Ma'am,
okay.
ma'am,
opposite
diagonals are perpendicular to each other and they bisect each other, and the opposite angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. That's all. That's enough. That's enough to remember. Diagonals bisect each other at opposite right angles. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. And here, what we can go with, children, even we can go with.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, not in this chapter, like tomorrow exam, so from that I have doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, how to build a how to
Right.
build a parallelogram, ma'am?
Construct or construction part you're asking.
Yes, ma'am. In practical geometry course, how to build a
That you need to use the instrument. Instrument we are supposed to use. I will download some videos and I'll forward to you, children.
No, ma'am, you can just tell steps like first cut
Oh,
like this.
sure. Construction part. Right. Let me complete this about then we will go with that construction of quadrilateral. Okay, right. Next, what are possible questions in quadrilateral? Yeah, sorry. What are possible question in rhombus? Actually, we are discussing about
Ma'am,
rhombus.
if rhombus, they can like give one side and find other side.
Uh, yes.
Say that
Yes.
all of them are the same.
Yes. This is y. This is 30. This is z. You need to find out x, y, z.
Ma'am, X is 90 degrees since vertically opposite angles.
Very good.
And Y is,
Perpendicular bicycle.
ma'am, Y is 60 degrees.
Wonderful. Y is 60. Why? Because you are using angle sum property. Good.
Ma'am, Z is also 60.
I want
Ma'am,
reason.
alternative angles.
Which and which are alternatives there?
Ma'am, Y and Z.
Very good. Y and Z are alternative angles. So that you can go with the Z is also 60. Because
I
alternate.
didn't understand why, how is y equal to 60, ma'am?
You just see, Nana, if you extend this line, if you extend this line, so what are this angle is nothing but the vertically, is it what type of angles, children? Is it vertically opposite angle? Yes or no? If you take those two lines are the parallel lines, a transversal cuts a parallel
So,
lines.
ma'am is asking how did y become equal of angles? X is
y equal to 60, how I get, that's your question, because this is 90, but diagonals bisect each other. So x is also 90. Obviously, you can go with vertically opposite angle x equal to 90. This one angle is 90, this is 30. What is y? If you take as a triangle, no, if you take this part as a triangle, we know that two angles.
Understood, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Angle sum property.
Angle sum property. 90 plus 30 gives
120.
120. So 120 plus what number gives 180? 60. So y value is 60.
Ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Now y and z also, as he said, Abhinav said, Abhinav, you are good at lines and angles also. Very good. That's why you are using different properties to find out. And very good, Abhinav. Please keep it up. Good job. Yeah. Now, can we go with these are y and z are alternate? What type of angles, children? This is y. This is z. Is what type of angles?
Ma'am, they are ma'am alternate angles, ma'am.
Very good. Is it
Alternate exterior angles. Yes.
anything? Alternative interiors or alternative exteriors? Both are same, right? Bhavya, both are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So that we can just take the values of y and z both are equal. So y equal to 60, obviously z is also 60. Right, right, children. Shall we discuss further?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this question goes to Manideep is not responding. Baby, I don't know what is the network issue or any other issue. Manideep and Ayush is supposed to even who is this Harshita Raisam. Please respond, Harshita. This is 5 centimeters. This is x. This is no, that's not they just because they're giving all sides are equal to represent this is rhombus. This length is given as 12. Just a minute, Nana. This length is taken as 12. Next, and this length is x. This length is y, and this is given as z. You need to find out x, y, z. This side is
Ma'am,
given-
x is 5,
can I
y is
answer,
12, and
Very good.
z is 13.
X is 5, y is 12, z is
13, ma'am.
why? Reasons.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, because all sides are equal in a rhombus.
So z equal to obviously 13.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
we don't know what property you are using to find out the values of x and y.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
bisect.
hypotenuse rule.
What, Bhavya?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
can
for
use
x-
hypotenuse rule. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you know hypotenuse, but I don't know hypotenuse. So what property? Bhavya is telling something. Wait, Abhinav. We'll just I'll come back to you. Yeah, Bhavya, please.
Ma'am, for
Please.
x and y, it's the ma'am, it's the diagonals bisecting, and for z, it is all sides are equal property, ma'am.
Very good. X and y supposed to find out the values of x and y. The diagonals bisect at right angles. Bisect means dividing into two equal region. So one region they gave us 5 centimeters. Obviously, other region is also x is also 5. The same way y is 12. Y and other side is equally dividing. So y equal to 12. Good. Right. Right, ma. Right. This is one way of answering the question in
Ma'am,
like
how
that.
can we do that, ma'am?
Which one, Nana? This
Ma'am,
property.
that without 13.
Without 13, you can go. You are using a Pythagorean triplets base thing and a hypotenuse square. Without that also we can go, Nana. Here you see, Abhinav. This is the property. What property Bhavya is using? Ma'am, this is we know that diagonals perpendicular bisect. That means diagonals divides equally into two regions. This region given as x, one portion given is x. You just see this region given as X, this region given as 5 centimeters. So X and 5 both are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why she is telling ma'am X equal to 5. The same way, whatever we are thinking, this is Y value. This diagonal divides into two equal regions. So Y and 12 both are dividing equally. So Y equal to
12.
12, right? You can use many properties. Shall we go with another shape like kite shape? Then kite shape is also important, frequently tested.
Yes, ma'am.
Kite is also asking in the examination because what you know about the kite? Kite is a quadrilateral. Two pairs of adjacent
Kite,
sides are
Kite is the kite like first two will be equal and then down.
Ma'am, adjacent sides are equal.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
very good, Abhinav. You said the adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent means what, Abhinav?
Ma'am, side by side.
Okay. Suppose this is P, Q, R, S. In this, what are which sides are
Ma'am,
equal?
PQ and RS are equal.
Very good. PQ and RS are equal.
PS and SR are equal.
Very good. Very good. Any other things you know about rhombus? Sorry, kite.
That also intersects by 90, like it by perpendicular bisector.
Very good. Kite also the diagonals divides perpendicular bisect. It's not
And they
perpendicular
bisect at
bisect.
90.
They bisect at 90. Very good. They bisect at 90.
Ma'am, and also one pair of diagonals are equal, ma'am.
One pair of diagonals are equal. Very good.
Ma'am,
Got
but there is
Ma'am,
only one
ma'am,
pair
in
of
this case, it is
diagonals.
P and R, ma'am. PO is equal to OR, ma'am.
What, ma?
Ma'am, in this case, PO is equal to OR.
Very good.
Ma'am, but whole
Is it
PO
Can we go with this is an isosceles? Suppose they are given non. So kite means how you supposed to think, children? Adjacent sides are equal, children. That is the major point you have to remember for kite.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjacent sides means here PS and AS
Consecutive
are both
sides.
consecutive sides, side by sides. And in this questions, how they are going to test? Let me take any questions are there this way. And the rectangle and square is very simple, so then you can answer that because opposite sides are equal. All sides are equal in square. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle.
Ma'am, and angles are equal to 90 degrees.
That we can go. That's you can do your own, children, because I didn't explain the question. Some possible questions on that. Kite, do you have any questions with kite, children? Please share with us so that we can solve. I didn't get any question in here. Children, do you have any questions with you regarding kite?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we make our own question here? Like previous.
I have a question, ma'am, which my teacher has given.
Yeah, please.
I mean, a kite like opposite angles are equal.
Okay.
Even I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah, please share with us. Children, answer, try yourself whether it is possible to answer the questions or not. You just see that.
The name of
Okay, ma'am.
Please try to answer the question. Suppose this side is given as 3 centimeters. This side they didn't give. This is given as X, and this is given as Y. This is given as some 15 centimeters. You need to find the values of X and Y.
Ma'am, X
Ma'am,
is 3, Y is
X equal
15.
to 3.
Yes, ma'am, very easy, ma'am. Let's start.
Very easy you can see. Or if anything is given like suppose angles are children, kite, can we take it as a kite? How we supposed to take kite angles in the kite, children? Is it any?
Ma'am, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree.
That is fine. That's already we did in the diagram. Yeah, diagonals are bisecting at angle 90.
Ma'am,
The opposite
can I
angles are
ask you one?
equal.
Very good. This is you supposed. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. P is equal to R and S is equal to Q, ma'am.
Very important point. This point we didn't write in the screen. Just please
Yes,
see.
ma'am, I told you, ma'am, opposite angles are equal.
Very good.
Ma'am, only one pair of opposite angles. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I think so. You are correct, Abhinav. One pair of opposite angles are
Yes,
equal.
ma'am.
Right,
Ma'am,
you are correct.
P and angle R.
P and R, only one pair of angles are equal. Right, right. Very good. It's not opposite angles, Bhavya. Lalit, please, there is a very important note here. Only one pair of opposite angles are equal in height. One pair of opposite
Yes, ma'am.
angles are equal in height. And please calculate in ABCD. I just want to give one question on this kite. ABCD is a kite. ABCD is a kite. ABCD is a kite. Here the angle is given as a 61. And here the angle is given as X. And this angle is given as Y. This angle is given as 80. Abhinav.
Ma'am, X is Ma'am, X is 61.
Very good. Why?
Ma'am, alternative angles.
Very good. Alternative interiors. So both are equal. X equal to 61. How are you supposed to find the value of Y? How are you supposed to find the value of Y?
Ma'am, are adjacent angles supplementary?
What, no? Which property you're using?
Ma'am, like are adjacent angles supplementary?
In kite, we are supposed to not take as the adjacent angles are supplementary. No,
Ma'am, how can we find?
no, that's why I'm asking Y value, how you supposed to find? Is you just see children, this is opposite to X. No, this is only this part. Anyway, you are taking about X as an exterior alternative interiors. We are taking as 61. If you take this as 61, what is this angle, ma? 61 plus 80 is 61 plus 80, 141. 141 minus 180 minus 141 gives 39. If this is 39, this angle is this angle
Yes,
becomes
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
you okay. Very good, very good. This is 39. If you got 39 as that angle, yes,
Ma'am, it is 80 degrees.
this is also 39, right?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Now
80
39
degrees.
plus 61 is
100.
very good. Then what is Y value?
80.
We can take directly opposite angle here, children. I think so.
Ma'am, but
One pair of opposite, we can go directly with this Y and 80. One pair of opposite.
ma'am, so are opposite angles equal?
No, one pair of opposite. But actually, in this case,
Yes,
Y and
ma'am.
80 are facing opposite. We are going because we are after doing, we are going to realize that part because both are 80, right?
Ma'am, can you explain like how? Ma'am,
No, in this question, it's like this.
Abhinav will help here to explain. Abhinav, please help Lalit.
Ma'am, so it's like only in this case we took the values like that. That's why we got
No. First, why he is asking about the first part. He is asking about the part.
which one,
first.
ma'am?
No, he is asking
Opposite
about.
angles are equal, that's why I
No, this part you just see, Lalit.
not ma'am, not this ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, how is y equal to 80? Same, right? Opposite.
okay, just a minute.
Yeah, only in this case.
This is 39. This is also 39. Why? Because now sum of angle sum property you can use to find out the value of y.
Yeah, of a triangle.
Yeah, angle some property of a triangle you're supposed to use so that you will get y value as 80. Yes.
Ma'am, like how did you get that angle as 39 it was given?
39 means x
Yeah,
and
it's
61 are,
alternative angles.
no, x and 39 are what type of angles here? X and 61, you just see is x and 61. By seeing it seems x and 61 is a alternative angles, alternative interior angles.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why both are equal. Alternative interior angles are equal. So x value is 61.
Yes, ma'am, I understood. Then angle some property, then it's 39.
Yes, yes, that's all. That's all. Once you are going to get that idea, you can easily find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now there are a few questions on squares and rectangles. Children, we'll discuss in next class squares and rectangles. Please go through like that. Each and every point is important, children. If you know that properties, you can easily write that. Please go through once again, make a table of properties, how it is through angles, how it is acting, through diagonals, how they are doing, through sides, is it equal or opposite sides? Like that, please go through each and every property, make your own table and practice like that, you will get children. Okay, children, shall we end up?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Nana. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Abhinav.